Portrait of a not-so-average you. Caught in a whirlwind of a past you know little to nothing about, an unpredictable present that you try to comprehend, and a future that seems to evade your thwarted grasps each time you reach for it. A victim of circumstance, indebted to the sins of your ancestors, or a complacent creature of privilege and/or indoctrination, or perhaps a mixture of each. Fret not, for all that mystery and confusion is about to take you to that door you have been searching for, a door to a hall where no excuses, no lies, and no distractions exist. Welcome to the hall where there is no turning back, for you are about to enter the inner chamber at Pharoh's house.